Hard to believe, and you might not like to think about it, but you have trillions of bacteria and viruses living in and on you. Together, there are more of them than there are human cells in your body, and we call them our microbiome. Lucky for us, not all bacteria and viruses are baddies. In fact, the vast majority are harmless, and a lot of them even help us stay alive and healthy. Most of our microbes live in our gut, and without them, we wouldn't be able to break down all our food to get at the nutrients inside. Our microbes make lots of the chemicals that are used by our bodies, including some that keep us happy and motivated, like serotonin and dopamine. Our microbes also act as teachers for our immune system, helping it learn what's normal and what's nasty. But as a psychologist, what I'm most interested in is how the microbiome can affect our brains and our mental health. Lots of research now tells us that the microbiome is different in people who have a mental illness like depression. Some early research tells us that when the microbiome is out of balance, it might even cause us to feel more depressed. But most of this work has been done with adults or in animals. In my research, I'm interested in childhood, especially in those famous first 1,000 days, when our microbiomes and our brains are still growing and changing a lot. I plan to look at the microbiome in the poo of 6-month-old babies and check whether it might be related to their mental health and psychological development at 3 years of age. Basically, I'm asking if some microbes can predict a happy, healthy toddler, or if there are microbes related to anxiety, hyperactivity, or other behaviour problems. If that sounds interesting to you, then stay tuned for my future research. This is me, Caitlin Cowan, and you can follow my research journey on Twitter.